Alright, so I'm just going to explain how the sine rule works just briefly. Okay, so here I have just a random non-right angle triangle, right? So I've labeled it already with A, B, C, and then obviously the opposite side lengths with little a, little b, and little c. And what I've done here is I've split the triangle up where the red line is, which is the perpendicular height. Okay, and so I want to find a relationship between the two right angle triangles with what I have. And at the moment, I have two sides given. Right, and this is a right angle triangle, so I can use one of the sine ratios, and I'm going to find an equation in terms of h, because h is the common thing between both triangles. Yep. So I could use any one of them really, but I want to use something with sine in it since this is a sine rule. Okay, and if I use this angle here, then I have opposite over hypotenuse. So if I write that just really quickly, so that will give me sine B equals h over c. Okay, and then I'm going to multiply the c over so that h is the subject. Let me just rewrite this. Okay, and then for this one, this triangle, again, I want to use the sine rule. So I have opposite hypotenuse, so I'm going to use this angle, which is sine C equals h over b, and then h being the subject, b sine C. So you can see I have two equations. Okay, this is in triangle ABD, this is in triangle, ADC. Okay, I have two equations that have h as the subject, so I can make it equal each other since they both equal the height. Okay, so let's equate 1 and 2, which means C sine B equals B sine C. Okay, and then I'm going to divide that over and that over to the other side, so I eventually get C over sine C equals B over sine B. And that works for any non-right angle triangle. So there is a relationship between the angles and the sides.